Let us solve for m in this exponential equation. 3 raised to power m plus 3 raised to power m is equal to 90. We'll begin by expressing this as 2 times 3 raised to power m is equal to 90. This is because the expression here and this one are exactly the same thing. So adding them together gives us 2 of 3 raised to power m. And then we divide through by 2. So we have 2 cancels 2 here, and then 2 here is 45. Therefore, 3 raised to power m is 45. I'll express 45 as 9 times 5 and 9 as 3 squared. This implies that 3 raised to power m is equal to 3 squared times 5. If I go ahead and divide both sides by 3 squared, this will give me 5 on the right hand side. So I have 3 raised to power m divided by 3 squared is equal to 5 on the right hand side. There's a basic law of indices I'm going to apply to the left hand side, and that is if I have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, I can pick one of the bases because they are exactly identical and then subtract their powers like this, m minus n. This implies that 3 raised to power m divided by 3 squared can now be written as 3 raised to power m minus 2 then equal to 5. I'll now go ahead and take the logarithm of both sides to solve for m. This will give me logarithm of 3 raised to power m minus 2 equal to logarithm of 5. Both are in base 10, or to make life easier for all of us, I'll do that in base 3. As long as the bases are the same, we're fine. Now the law of logarithm says once we have power like this, we can express this as m minus 2 log 3 base 3. That is, take the power to become a coefficient. If you have the logarithm of a raised to power n, you can also express this as n log a, regardless of whatever the base is. So this becomes m minus 2 log 3 base 3 equal to log 5 base 3. Remember, this base could have been in anything, but so that we apply the law of logarithm that says when you have logarithm of a number to a number in the same base, this automatically gives us 1. In that way, we get rid of the logarithm of the left hand side completely in a few steps. So we have m minus 2 now is equal to log 5 base 3. And then to solve for m, we just need to add 2 to both sides. So that this takes care of this, and m is simply equal to log 5 base 3 plus 2, which can also be written as m is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3. This is our final answer. So we just need to check to confirm that we have solved the right thing. Let us put the value 2 plus 5 base 3 for m in our original equation. The original equation was this is our original equation, and we got m is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3. So we are going to put this value into each of these positions. It should give us 90. So first of all, I'll express this as 2 into 3 raised to power m equals to 45 times 2, so that when we divide through by 2, this takes care of this, and we can simply say 3 raised to power m is equal to 45. Now if we put 2 plus log 5 base 3 here, we have 3 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 3. This should give us 45. Let us break this power apart by the law of indices. Remember, if you have a raised to power m plus n, you can separate them into a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Therefore, we now have 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3. This should give us 45. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Then times, because we have 3 raised to power 1 log 5 base 3, the result of this expression is simply 5. It's a law of logarithm that once the base here is exactly the same as the base here, the result is whatever you have here. It means here we now have 5 equal to 45. And if you go ahead and multiply 9 times 5, of course, it definitely gives you 45, which means that 45 is equal to 45, meaning that our solution of m equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3 is actually correct. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.